In this video, we are going to learn how you can resolve and prevent duplicate data on Salesforce. So kindly do watch the video till the end. So you have to go at duplicate management over here, and how to find that, you have to over on Trailhead in the search engine, you have to type duplicate and just simply go to duplicate management over here, and from here you can simply access, resolve and prevent duplicate data in Salesforce. Once you click on it, now you have to scroll down at the bottom of the screen. So once you're here, you can see your challenge right here. Just click on launch and it will bring you to the Salesforce. Alright, so once it loads up, you have to click on settings and click on setup. Alright, so from here in the quick find, you have to search for matching rules, and in duplicate management you will find matching rules. Just click on it. And once it will load up, you have to click on new rule to create a new rule. Now the object will be let's say the object is contact. You can see just according to from this, select contact, click on next. Now you have to put the rule name and just go back. Rule name will be contact with fuzzy logic. Just I'm going to copy this and paste it over here. And a unique name is also contact with fuzzy logic, including the underscores. So I'm going to again copy this and paste it over here. So we don't have any description right here, so I'm going to leave this as default. And moving towards next, just simply scroll down and you have to substitute this information. In the fields you have to put email, so just go to field and select email. Also not department, but and the matching method, it will be the exact. Alright, and in the field you have to write first name, and the matching method will be fuzzy first name. And we have to type first name and fuzzy first name. Once you're done with all the process, just click on save. You have to see save and active your matching rule. Now click on save. And just simply click on activate to activate your matching rule. And you can see the matching rule has been activated. And from now on onwards, you can avoid duplicate data on Salesforce. So all for today's video guys, I hope you have learned something new. Make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.